Assalamualaikum. Hi everyone, my name is Agnes Michael and welcome to our vlog segment. Today I would like to share about a place in nature that I truly love, Maragang Hill, located in Kundasang, Sabah. Maragang Hill is one of my favorite hiking spots because of its peaceful environment and beautiful nature surroundings. The fresh mountain air and the calm atmosphere make this place perfect for anyone who wants to take a break from a busy lifestyle. What I love most about hiking at Maragang Hill is how refreshing and healing the experience feels. Every step along the trail helped me really stress and feel more connected to nature. One of the main highlights of Maragang Hill is the breathtaking view of Mount Kinabalu. The hill directly faces Mount Kinabalu, and when you reach the viewpoint, the mountains stand right in front of you. Majestic, clear, and truly unforgettable. Seeing this view make all the effort of hiking completely worth it. In conclusion, Maragang Hill is my favorite place in nature because of its offer peace, motivation, and a sense of adventure. It is a place where I can relax and recharge. Thank you for watching.
Hi, I'm Mokhtar bin Mohammad Jaya, University Science Malaysia student, metric number 25101-307. Our vlog presentation is about a place in nature I love. If there's one place in nature I love that feels like a dream, it is Bohai Dulang Island in Semporna, Sabah. Located within Malaysia's largest marine park, the heart of the experience is the hike. It is a rewarding 600-meter climbs through a dense tropical forest. As you ascend, the sound of the city are replaced by the calls. Once you reach the summit at 353 meters above the sea level, the trees open up to a view that is truly one of the most photographed in the world. But Bohai Dulang is more than just a viewpoint. At the base, this is a dedicated hatchery for giant clams, highlighting the island's commitment to conservation. It is a place where you can witness the traditional lifestyle of Bajau Laut or sea gypsies, who have lived in harmony with this water for generations. I love Bohai Dulang because it offers a rare mix of physical challenge, stunning geology, and deep cultural heritage. Standing on that peak in 2019, looking out over the endless blue of the Celebes Sea, it is a reminder of how magnificent and fragile our natural world really is. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name Haszalilawati Binti Hassan, metric card 2510124. Today we choose the topic place in nature I love. I would like to share a little about my favorite beach, which is Pantai Kenangan, located in my village, Bengawan, Sabah. Actually, Pantai Kenangan is located in Papa district and still beautiful and keep clean. Pantai Kenangan offer a stunning and calming panorama, especially during sunset. As we all know, Sabah in particular is famous for having one of the most beautiful sunsets in the world. Among foreign tourists call the Pantai Kenangan with name Mirror Beach because its calm water allow clear reflection to be seen like a mirror. Visitor can observe firefly at an affordable price and enjoy the beauty of fireflies from evening until night by taking a boat ride. On weekend, many local residents sell various types of food. Visitors can enjoy their meal at the hut and beaches provided along the beach. That is all I would like to share about the nature place that I love to visit. Thank you.
Hi, good evening. My name is Reikolis bin John, and my matrix number is 242-01197. Today, I would like to talk about a place in nature that I love. A place in nature I truly enjoy is hiking trail, hidden between the hills, far away from noise, traffic, and rush of their daily life. Every time I step onto the trail, I feel calm, as if I am entering a different world. As I begin my hike, I notice the cool, fresh air, the peaceful sound of nature, birds singing, leaves rustling, and nearby stream flowing gently. These sounds help me relax and forget about the stress. One of my favorite moments is when sunlight shines through the tall trees, creating beautiful golden pattern on the ground. Sometimes I stop walking just to enjoy the silence. There's no phone, no car, only nature. As the trail becomes steeper, my legs start to feel tired, but I'm keep going. Hiking teach me to be patient and strong, reminding me that every step brings me close to my goal. When I finally reach to the top, the view is always worth it. I can see mountains and the distance, feel the cool wind, and experience a sense of peace. It reminds me that nature is not only something we see, but something we feel. This hiking trail has taught me to slow down, appreciate simple moments, and grateful for the beauty around us. That is why I always be my favorite place in nature. Thank you.
Hi, Assalamualaikum and good evening. My name is Mohammad Khuzuan bin Fauzi from the group Sembah. Today, I would like to talk about task for the English subject, JUE 101. Okay, my metric number is 2510122. Okay, today I would like to talk about nature, especially the beauty of the rice field. The rice field are one of the most peaceful and meaningful part of the nature. When we look at the paddy field, we see the wine green land, fresh air, and the clear skies. The sign of the rice plant moving gently, which the wind makes us feel calm and relaxed. It reminds us that nature is simple yet very powerful. Rice fields are not only beautiful, but they are also very important to our life. Rice is a main food for the many people around the world. Behind every bowl of the rice, there are hard work from farmers who wake up early, work under the hot sun, and take care of the land with passion. The rice field teach us the value of effort, dedication, and respect for the nature. Besides that, rice fields are home to many living things such as birds, frogs, and insects. This show us how nature is connected. If we protect the rice field, we also protect the environment and balance of life. In conclusion, rice fields are more than just farmland. They are a symbol of life, hard work, and harmony with nature. Let us appreciate and protect them, so future generation can enjoy the beautiful. Thank you. Terima kasih. Assalamualaikum.
Hello, Assalamualaikum and Selamat Sejahtera. I'm Mohammad Shah bin Nurman Affendi. I'm 29 years old. In this video, I want to talk about our topic. My group topic is love nature, the short one. Okay. Why we pick this topic? Because this topic is get more positive element for our group, and we will show to you what nature can give to us. Yeah. Firstly, I want to talk about the beach. When you come to the beach and you feel, you can hear sound of the wave. It's relaxing and calming. The breeze from the ocean feel cool and refreshing. The sunlight reflect beautiful on the water. Sometimes you can see the sky change color from blue to orange. Sometimes you can see the sky change to the color purple color. Yeah. About the surrounding, soft golden and sand stretching far along the coastline. Palm trees swaying gently with the wind. Yeah. Fresh natural smell of the ocean. And if we could talk about deeper, we think deeper about this natural life at the beach. Sometimes we can watch a small and baby crab crawling to the sea. Yeah, shell with different shape and color. Seagull flying low. Seagull flying low above the beach. Sometimes you can see fish swimming close to the shore. Yeah, about feeling and experience. Being at the beach make your mind feel calm. Nice place to think and reflect. Walking around and feel so peacefully. It give you a moment to appreciate that natural we have here. For the extra vibe, it's a perfect spot for relaxing and just watching the wave, and help us to reduce our stress and anger, and give us more positive energy. Yeah, that is a short video for me. That is my opinion and my thing to give to you. Okay, is that all?